In a world driven by innovation, one name stands out in the realm of automation: Brooks. Brooks has been pivotal in the development of semiconductor chips that power our modern world. Partnering with leading OEMs and fabs, we deliver innovative robotics, vacuum and atmospheric systems, and contamination control solutions. But we don't stop there. We expanded into the laboratory automation space, delivering compact, adaptable, and scalable end-to-end solutions that integrate effortlessly with both personnel and delicate equipment. What truly sets us apart is our drive to identify and solve high-value problems. Our team of dedicated application, material science, and systems engineers dives deep into understanding your challenges, delivering solutions that work the first time, every time. And when it comes to support and collaboration, a Brooks expert is never far away. Our systems are embedded in processes across the globe, and our teams and state-of-the-art facilities are right there too. We are also committed to sustainability, helping our customers meet their own environmental goals with energy-efficient products and responsible operations. With a legacy of trust and a future of endless possibilities, we are proud to be the automation partner of choice for leading companies worldwide. We create automated advantages for our customers. We are Brooks.